Text 36 describes more of the meaning of protection. Mahanidhi goes on. Verse 35, he said, I will give you protection. And I'll be there with you all the time. Become your dwara, digdwara, tadrig dwara, be your gatekeeper. Then he says, Tatra dhanava daityanam sangat te vavat asura triswa mad anubhavam vai sadhya kunto vinanksh yati. This is text 36, chapter 22, 8th canto. Vamana said, listen, Bali, because on Sutala you will see my supreme prowess. Your materialistic ideas and anxieties that have arisen from your association with demons and danavas would immediately be vanquished. So the Lord is describing multi-levels of protection, how He's going to protect him. Because in the previous verse, He told that He will protect him. In verse 35, He says, Bali, listen, Rakshishye sarvato, aham tvam, I will protect Raksha, you, tvam, sarvato, in all different ways, in all respects. So in this verse he lists 3 different ways, or 3 different levels of protection. First he says, Dhanava Daitya Sangam. Lord Vamana said, I will protect you in the first way. I will protect you externally from associating with demoniac persons. Then he said, Asura Bhava. I will protect you internally from developing a demoniac mentality. Because externally, when you have bad association, asat sangha, as Lord Chaitanya said, asat sangha tyag e Vaishnavachara. This is the behavior, quality, or characteristic of a pure Vaishnava. He avoids association with materialistic non-devotees, abhaktas, and mayavadis, Sri Sangis. Because first there's the external physical association, hearing, from, speaking, seeing, moving with, eating with, talking, etc. And that will affect our bhav. That will affect us internally, our mentality, our sabhav, our aspirations and desires, our faith, our determination, our taste in bhakti may become diminished or diluted because of the bad association. And then our heart, due to bad association, our heart will be full of different anxieties, become doubtful about Krishna due to bad association, or doubtful about bhakti or devotees or the process of devotion. So these 3 things are addressed here. The external, the internal mental plane, and the heart plane. In this verse 36, Vamana Maharaj is describing the 3 levels, multi-level protection. In verse 35 he says, Rakshishye sarvato aham tvam. I will protect you on all different levels, sarvato, in all respects. So these are the 3 aspects of a being, external, physical, internal, mental, then deep internal, heart, or emotional. And this verse is saying, Dhanava Daityanam Sangat, Bhava Asura, Sadhyo Kunto Vinakshati. He says, firstly, Vaman promises to protect Vamanadeva from external physical bad association, Dhanava Daitya Sangha. Protect him from associating with demons. And he promises to protect him internally and mentally from Asura Bhav. He won't develop this Ishvara Bhav, or this demoniac mentality. Ishvaraham Hambogi Siraham Balavansuki, the Asura Sampat, or Asura Sambhav of Gita. The demoniac mentality.